Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to see how to make an invisible decrease for a single crochet, double crochet and a treble crochet as well. I have linked everything that I'm using in the video in the description box below. Now let's get right into the video. Now I've already made a row of single crochets, and now in the next stitch we are going to yarn over and pull through. We'll be left with 2 loops on a hook. We are going to go in the next stitch, yarn over and pull through as well. We'll be left with 3 loops on a hook. We are going to yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So here we actually worked in 2 stitches, but we have made just 1 single crochet. Now as usual we are going to make single crochets in the next stitch so that we can see how flawless our decrease looks. We'll just make some more. So you can see that we have made a decrease and you cannot even tell. This is how your decrease will look like. Now we'll see how to decrease in a double crochet, how to make an invisible decrease in a double crochet row. Here I have already made a row of double crochets, and now we're going to yarn over, go into our next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. We'll be left with 2 loops on a hook, and now we're going to yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. We'll be left with 4 loops on a hook. We are going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we'll be left with 3 loops on a hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So even here, as we did earlier, we worked in 2 stitches, but we only made 1 double crochet. Now as usual we are going to make double crochets in each stitch. So even here you can see how flawless our invisible decrease looks like. This is where we have decreased. Now I'm even going to show you how to make an invisible decrease in a treble crochet row. Here I have already made a row of treble crochets. Now we are going to yarn over twice on a hook. Insert a hook in the next stitch. And we're going to yarn over and pull through. We'll be left with 4 loops on a hook. We are going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through another 2 loops. And when we are left with 2 loops on a hook, we are going to again yarn over twice. Insert a hook in the next stitch. And yarn over, pull through. We'll be left with 5 loops on a hook. We are going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. Now we'll be left with 3 loops on a hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So even here you can see that we have actually worked in 2 stitches, but we have made only 1 treble crochet. Now as usual we are going to continue making treble crochets throughout the row. See, you cannot even tell where we have made the decrease. Here is where we have made the invisible decrease, and it looks so flawless. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!